you're watching this, it's probably because you want to know how to edit a realistic mock-up in Canva, but also have some detail to it. By now, you should already know how to get your seamless file on your background, how to go ahead and resize that to get the scale differently. If not, go ahead and check out a few of our other videos. We explain how to do this, and you can see me doing it here. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pattern exactly the way I want it. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick out my realistic mock-up and add it to my file. For this example, I'm going to be using a pair of sweatpants, and I'm going to edit the waistband and the leg cuffs. Go ahead and stretch that realistic mock-up till it covers the whole thing. You can use this nifty feature called Draw. I tend to like the marker tool best. Here I am using the dropper to pick out a color that I want for the solids. Of course, you can go ahead and just use the color tool as well. When you choose your tool, make sure the weight is the size that you want it to be and that the opacity is all the way up. And then color in the areas that you want to be different. So I want my cuffs to be yellow. I colored in the cuffs, and now here I am coloring the waistband of the pants. Don't worry, I know it's covering up the image, but you're going to go ahead and click position and make sure to drop your lines underneath your mock-up, and there you go.